Huh? यस्तो ए तेरिका मम्मीले पनि दिन्छौ Hi, this is Sinduli Bazaar. Today we are moving off to Kathmandu. Whatever our work was here in the Torai region is over. That's why we are moving off to Kathmandu. And this is Sinduli Bazaar, very nice view. We can have a very clearly from this road. A nice town in the middle of hill. Beyond the high hill and Chure hill. It's a nice bazaar. It's looking from here. It's clear in the sun rays. Very nice, pristine town located here. We are moving toward. This is the road we are going. We are all family. This is our bro Santosh. He's very good one. And my wife, my daughter, my grandson is sleeping over there. Yeah. My youngest daughter is sleeping. Somebody is getting angry on the phone too. It's going. So direct sun rays and reflection on my camera. Very good one. And I am Kiran. I am Kiran here, old man. I am making the vlog. I think you like this vlog. I am just a beginner. I do not have many more subscriber and liker and commenter. I have very few. Nevertheless, I am trying my level best to be good in futuristic time. Whenever everybody subscribes this channel of mine. Very nice road. Upward. Today I am taking the vlog of this Sinduli Bazaar. Very nice place. Bardivas Banepa road goes through the middle of this Sinduli Bazaar. This is located between the Chure hills and the high mountains, high hills. Small flat land is like a valley. Many buildings, many good buildings are constructed here. I think we'll watch this vlog, will like this scene, my vlog, and like, comment and subscribe my channel. Kiran Chanda. In the morning, we are moving back. We had spent almost 23 days here in Tarai because we had some work to do, complete. Last evening it was complete, then today we are moving toward Kathmandu. Very nice views. Road is not crowded now, it is morning time. Not so many vehicles are plying along the road. So it is very nice movement. No any jam, traffic jam like that is taking place in Kathmandu Valley each and every time. I have made the vlog of Kathmandu Valley too. You might have liked that one. In future, I hope you will subscribe my channel also. My wife, she is feeling cold, that's why she is covering her body with the sweater because of coldness. We have crossed the Sinduli market now. We are going to the adjoining areas of this town. Very nice view we can see in the clear sunlight of the morning. Nice turning is here. It's like a U-shaped turning is here. Very nice road. Our country Nepal is being developed day by day. Many roads are connecting with the Kathmandu Valley, capital city of our country, Nepal. Government is also doing very good job to construct the different roads connecting the valley with the different part of the country by making main roads, sub roads, connecting roads, feeder roads, etc. Thank you. This much for this time.